Racing just started. We have Brazilian baby. Break quickly to start Security General title. Down on the inside is Admiral Contender. While he's got Missile. He's the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Security General by about half length. Brazilian babies right behind in second. Title is on the outside third, 6 lengths further back in fourth comes God Missile, while Admiral Contender now racing in last back to the leader. We have Security General by about half length, and on the outside second title, Brazilian Babe in the middle portion is God Missile remains in fourth, while Admiral Contender is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have Brazilian Babe moving up on the outside. Security General is down on the inside. Titles, then here comes God Missile. And on the outside is Admiral Contender as they swing for Roma. Security General is God Missile. Moving up is Admiral Contender. It's now is God Missile. And finally is God Missile. Admiral Contender, Security General title, and Brazilian Babe.
Nakita mo? Yung sinasabi nga natin kanina, no?